everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are in a different environment than my regular filming station. We are actually in my kitchen. Today, we're going to be doing something that, of course, I'm sure everybody has seen by now. We're going to be making the whipped coffee. I don't know what the real name of it is. I think it's called something with a K, I don't know. But I'll put the name of it somewhere here. As you can see, I have no makeup on, so this is going to be definitely something different for my channel. I probably could have put some on, but I didn't want to do that. So, if you want to see how this will turn out, then keep on watching. This isn't exactly a tutorial on how to make it, but if you want to follow along, then go ahead. But what you'll need is instant coffee. I have Café El Jaibito. This is, of course, Mexican or some kind of Spanish. I don't know. You'll need sugar. Got it. You'll need a whisk, some kind of bowl. Of course, a cup or something to put your drink in. You'll also need hot water. So let's get into making this coffee. Okay, so I have quickly moisturized my hands because they were looking crusty. So let's get to making this coffee. We're going to take our instant coffee. This is brand new. And we're going to take 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. Now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of sugar. The recipe doesn't call for this, but if you have some like vanilla extract, I would put a little bit in it just for like extra flavor. Not like too much, like that's enough. Like that's definitely enough. So now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. That does not seem like enough, but we're just going to roll with it. So now you're going to take your whisk, or you can use your electronic like blender thingy, but I don't have one of those, so this is going to have to do. Oh, my arms are tired. I should have an electronic one. We're getting there. It's like getting kind of like whipped, but I think it definitely needs some more. Ugh, I need a minute. Is that it? Is that the texture you want? Is that it? Is that the texture you want? Is this it? Is that it? Did we do it? Is that it? Okay, so I think that's the texture you want. Okay, now we're gonna grab our glass. I saw a bunch of people icing it, so I'm gonna ice it. Okay, so this ice came from an ice maker. If you don't have one, I don't know what to tell you. That's fine. So now you add your milk about like halfway. So we got about half a glass of milk here. I was reading you can also mix in your milk with your creamer, but I don't have any, so this is just gonna be what it is. Then we're gonna take our mixture. Is this it? Is this the texture I want? Is this it? It's supposed to look like peanut butter or something, right? Okay, so we're just gonna take the big old dollop of that. Put that on top. Oh my god, I don't think I made enough. Pause. Okay, so I quickly whipped up like a really quick batch. Again, that sucked if you don't have like a mixer. So I'm just going to see, this one came out a lot fluffier than my first batch. So I'm thinking maybe I didn't add enough like water the first time. I'm guessing that's what happened. I don't know how to like make this aesthetic, so I'm just literally gonna put it in. All the TikTok girls are gonna read me to filth. Okay, so that is as close as I'm gonna get to this whipped coffee situation. So now let's taste it. Okay, so we have our coffee here, and of course I have a metal straw because in this household, we save turtles. So I'm just gonna taste it. Thumbnail. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it up. I have mixed feelings about this. I feel like it is good because it does taste like coffee. I feel like I will agree with the claims of adding like your own creamer would be a lot better. I've never had instant coffee before, so I don't even know if this is like how it's supposed to taste like. It's a little tart. I don't know, overall it's pretty good. I feel like the more you mix it, like you really have to like get it mixed in there for it to taste like better. You get like a caramel macchiato, they put like all the flavor like at the top, and I mean all the coffee at the top and all the milk is at the bottom. So you have to like mix it all to like really get the full flavor. Yeah, not bad. Would I make this again? Probably not, only because the whole whisking factor is not fun. If you have like one of those electronic like cake mixer things, then I definitely think go ahead and do it if you want to. But other than that, I think this is going to be my one and only time making this coffee. But overall, I think it was, I think it does taste good. I mean, I probably will drink the whole thing, even though I already had a Red Bull earlier, but it's gonna be one of those days. Tell me guys, do you like this kind of style of video? Like, I've already filmed in my guest bathroom, I have filmed in my kitchen. If you want an apartment tour, then don't hold your breath. I am not Kylie Jenner, so that was not gonna happen. Let me know if you want me to do any other cooking videos. Now, disclaimer, I am not a cook by any means. The best thing I can make is noodles, but I make some damn good noodles. Let me know if you want me to make that video. Other than that, we'll be back to doing more makeup videos in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. Please, please, please. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.